Hello! Happy 60th birthday, Dad! No? Time really flies. Gulat ako, 60 years old ka na. And, you're approaching your senior years. Know that, know that even we weren't able to spend much time together physically, know that I still love you and really appreciate you for all the things you've done for us and all the sacrifices that you made just to support us, especially going there in America, where you know that you will not be able to spend physical time with us. No, you still made it to support us. You still made the decision to support us. And ako na lang naiwan dito. Nandiyan na si Mama. Kaya I hope you live a long and prosperous life para I can reimburse the time spend time together with you that I wasn't able to do when I was a kid. Yeah, wait for me there.
Birthday.
Happy.
Birthday.
Happy.
Birthday. Birthday.
Happy. Happy.
Birthday.
Birthday.
Damin. Damin. Damin.
Damin.
Kasi happy
Happy.
birthday. Birthday. Birthday.
Ane po mo ko buko.
So, happy. Happy. Happy
Happy.
birthday. Birthday. Birthday.
Birthday.
Damin. Damin.
Mauno na.
Damin.
Damin.
Oh.
As
I love you. I
ele.
I love you. I
Ale. Mga tana.
itulong mo po. I
Al.
love
Maipagak.
love
Love
you.
you.
I love you.
I love you.
Oh.
I love you.
Oh.
Hello, Damian. Birthday mo na pala. Happy birthday. Ang aking wish sa iyo ay sana'y lagi kayong nasa mabuting kalagayan. Lagi kayong in good health. At lagi kayong mag-iingat na magkasama ni Mimi dyan. At sana'y lagi kayong masaya sa iyong pagsasama. Kung sa kami naman tatanungin dito, lagi ka na naman kami nasa ayos at lagi kaming masaya dito. Si KG naman, ayos naman sa piling ng kanyang lolo at sa kanyang mga pinsan, okay naman sila. Kaya, happy birthday sa inyo. Ang gusto ko lang pala na magpasalamat sa iyo, Damian, sapagkat malayo man kami sa inyo, ay damang-dama po namin ang iyong pagmamalasakit at pagtulong sa Wallace family. Na kung may nangangailangan sa Wallace family, nandiyan ka na laging sumusuporta. Salamat sa lahat ng iyong pagtulong at kabutihan mo sa Wallace family. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Damian! Ano, kaya tayo ng kwan, ng palaka.
Happy 60th birthday. Wish for you is stay healthy, good health, and stay positive always. And more birthday to come. Love you.
Hi, Tito Damian. Happy 60th birthday po sa inyo, Tito Damian. I wish more birthday to come. Stay good health. And we love you po.
Hello! Greetings from Japan! Ako po si Malin, ang nag-iisang magandang kapatid ni Mimi. Okay, salamat sa mga sacrifices mo, Damian, not only for your family, but for us also, your extended family. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you. We are very, very proud to be your extended family. Thank you for being a good and very sacrificial brother-in-law. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy 60th birthday po, Tito Damian. Wish you good health and more blessings to come po. And always happy every day. Please stay young in heart so that you will have a lot of strength and energy every day po. We are so inspired how you really support the Providence in our movement despite of your distance from our country po. You're still always to help and to support in our Providence here in Philippines po. More blessings to come po in your life together with your family po. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Damian. So I'm here in Chongpyeong this time. So we pray and we wish for your long life, healthy body, and more what's this? Sacrificial heart for God and true parents. Thank you for your love. Take care of my sister as your one of your brother-in-law. So we wish you a very happy birthday.
It's an honor to greet you on your Diamond Jubilee birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday! And you're actually a great blessing not only to our community but to this world. Because you know how to bless others. God bless you because you are blessing others. You are actually enjoying life or living a life to its fullest because you practice the law of give and take action. It is through serving, through giving that we receive. That's how we enjoy life. Give and take action produces joy, and you're doing that. And congratulations and happy birthday. And I hope you continuously do that because that's how we exercise a happy life, healthy life. Kayo mga taong mas mahabang buhay, people who give, who serve, who volunteer. That's how they live a long life, long, healthy, happy life. And sana hindi ka magsasawa at sana hindi ka rin magsawa na i-support ang project natin. I wish you good, long health span. Not only lifespan, but health span. Healthy, happy life. That's what it means by health span. And happy birthday once again, and wish you have many more birthdays and blessings to come because you know how to bless others. God bless, kapatid. Happy birthday, Manong.
birthday, Kuya Damian, and welcome to the club. Welcome to the 60th birthday. We are very happy indeed that we can greet you on your very special day. And I know you are very happy indeed for your birthday because Mimi is with you. But I know that your wish is not only with Mimi but at the same time with your entire family, with Kiji, and we look forward that in your next birthday you'll be together as one happy family. So again, we wish you more birthdays to come, more healthy, strong, and enjoy your birthday.
Yes.
Shirley!
Happy birthday! 60th birthday. Wow. Another citizenship. But we know you're stronger and stronger. Wow. We hope that you can soon have also your another daughter. Wow. And then you have apo. Yun ang wish natin eh. So, good luck sa inyo dyan ni Mimi. Thank you sa lahat ng support. Thank you sa lahat ng mga pagmamahal nyo sa amin, sa lahat ng mga binibigay nyo. Thank you so much. Happy 60th birthday! Yay!
Happy birthday! We love you!
We love you always with Mimi and KJ.
Happy birthday, Damian. I just want to greet you on your special day. Your incredible qualities makes you such a wonderful brother-in-law. Your kindness and support have a way of brightening the lives of people you meet. Thank you always for your love and support. We are so grateful to have you in our lives. May this year bring you much joy and happiness as you bring to others. Cheers to you, Damian. Enjoy your special day.
Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Damian. We pray for your good health, long life, prosperity, and more blessings to come from Yumi, Grace, and C. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle Damian. Yay. Okay.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Damian.
birthday.
Happy birthday. Ito si Pender, happy birthday daw sa iyo. Bati ka na happy birthday kay Lolo. Kay Lolo Damian. Ayun, happy birthday, Wow, Damian. Happy birthday, Wow, Damian. Ingat kayo dyan lagi, Mimi. Musta na lang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle Dad. Happy birthday, Uncle Dad. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Uncle Dad. I love you, Uncle Dad.
Happy birthday. Ayan. Ako, I'm so happy for you. Happy 60th birthday. Parang kailan lang Oo nga. Huwag ka masyado lagi nagbe-birthday, Dadods. Para hindi nag-a-add yung age mo. Ayan. I'm so happy for you in Ate Mimi. Kasi finally, on 60th birthday, ayan, magkasama po kayo. Wow, talaga naman. Yes, sana, ang wish ko sa'yo, more healthier and more happier and more money. Joke. Namimiss ko kayo lahat dyan sa Texas. Po, enjoy your day and yun lang. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Kuya Damian. I know this is one of your happiest birthday ever because andyan ang iyong palalabs. So, I would like to express my gratitude to you sa maraming bagay, lalo na nung pagpunta ko dyan sa Texas, for your great kindness and accommodation sa akin. Sana, as you celebrate your birthday, you celebrate it with your highest happy moments together with Ate Mimi and sa mga brothers and sisters dyan. Kulang na lang si KG. I think soon KG also will be coming. Once again, happy birthday!
Hello, Uncle. Hi, Auntie. Kumusta ka jungay sinat? Kansi ka, Uncle. Happy birthday. Agyaman tao kan aputa na danunuhan ni Ose tao na bijagno. Kit, in behalf ka na mama kan papa. Pioni mit iyeb ka si pamilya di pasalamat kan di ka ju. At da amin ni ito yung ju karkaro financial. Te kanayon kalat tayo nakasuporta. Kit dawatok isa pa ila kumata. Kanayon kayo nasa lunat kan napigsa sinat di ka ju kan auntie. Tawad sa yung trabaho. Te agam mo ke adupay lang di piyon joy magawat para pamilya ju para kan KJ ket kanayon kayo an sinat adi ju bay andilong agju ke enjoyan ju tinggawan ju sinat ngem kada wish ina sapay kumata makoojon ka tapno umalandu di ang kadwaan ju kan sija sina Pilipinas abusadi happy birthday kasing kan si ka uncle sapay kumata may enjoy nuha na birthday ito di nang doon gandita ko.
Birthday Kuya Damian! Stay healthy po Kuya! Happy ka na talaga kasi andyan na si Ate Mimi oh. Okay, Kuya, stay healthy po. Kuya, happy birthday! Bye!
Hi Uncle, happy birthday. Wish you good health and all the comforts in life. Thank you for all the help, especially during our schooling. And sana someday kami naman. And hope to see you soon. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Manong Damian. Happy birthday. Thank you si Losa Losane no kam kande kani kansa kalkaro kansakon. Dami ni tuyong no kalkaro taabeng ko. Inga sinan esulanda inga na nang graduate da. Sinoportaram di da. Thank you tasa di Losan. Dan na no naid di tuyong no. Ida pun siguro na abot no kala sinsana kan agyaman na tanna ka juwe sunod kuwe sumupsuporta kamasi sa DJ kamakan sa kon mitlaing sisa din SS wala anta ko anak jagoy ng barin amata ko anak pong gosen pumamiljak anak ka gose kamago sa nisukate sumupsuporta agyaman na tanna uray no makasapulan pi manda abeng ko na kay tumuy-tuyong pumpa at angalan ni. Sapay kumata adu pay laing maabot no tawon no tapno no kan kaman bakasyonan sukat anin nila tako pa yan susunod sina ng bakasyon ka. Numakadaton ka bangin na pay laing kumaina. Taniin nila tako pa yan susunod. Thank you si Losa Losane supportam kan ni kansakon kakaro kansakon na awat kadga ibagak siyan nenes wala ang labeng ko alisto ka sika alistuwe matawagan wino alistuwe mampatuyungan nagyaman kan sika.
Happy birthday Kuya Damian from Bohol family! Yay!
Happy 60th birthday!
Uncle Dad!
Wishing you all the best for a joyous celebration
and many more years of health and happiness.
Happy birthday, Uncle Dad. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday!
Welcome to the club, Damian.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Welcome to the club, Damian.
We love you. We love you so much. Be well, be healthy, be happy. Thank you. We miss love you. Adding Mimi loves you more.
Maybe also loves you.
And your son, of course, really. Handling the youth well. Happy birthday.
sanitize.